There's something deeply satisfying about discovering a clever DIY trick that instantly makes life easier. From household fixes to creative hacks, these ingenious solutions can save you time, money, and frustration. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a smarter way to tackle everyday challenges, you're about to learn a handful of DIY tricks you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's start in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Did you know that you can easily remove stubborn labels from glass jars by soaking them in warm water, mixed with a little baking soda and dish soap? After an hour, the labels slide right off, leaving you with pristine jars perfect for storage or crafts. This simple trick makes repurposing containers effortless, reducing waste and clutter. Stuck with a clogged drain? Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, try a natural approach. Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Cover it and let the mixture fizz for 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. The bubbling reaction helps break down buildup, keeping your pipes clear and your home eco-friendly. Now, let's talk about organization. If you're tired of tangled cords or the endless hunt for your phone charger, grab a few binder clips. Attach them to the edge of your desk or nightstand and thread your cables through the metal loops. This instantly transforms chaos into order, keeping your cables accessible and neatly arranged. For anyone who's struggled with stripped screw heads, the solution is surprisingly simple. Place a wide rubber band between the screwdriver and the screw, then twist gently. The added grip helps you remove even the most stubborn screws without damaging your tools or surfaces. Moving into the realm of home decor, picture hanging can be a headache, especially when it comes to finding the perfect spot. Here's a trick. Use painter's tape to mark the distance between the hanging hardware on the back of your frame. Transfer the tape onto the wall, level it, and drill your holes at each end. You'll get flawless alignment every time, with no extra holes or guesswork. If you love plants but struggle to keep them hydrated, try this ingenious watering hack. Fill an empty wine bottle with water, quickly flip it upside down, and insert it into the soil. The bottle acts as a slow-release reservoir, quenching your plant's thirst for days. It's perfect for vacations or busy schedules, and it's a great way to reuse bottles. Let's address those pesky scratches on wooden furniture. Before you reach for expensive refinishing kits, rub a walnut over the scratch. The natural oils and color from the nut fill in the mark, making it far less noticeable. In seconds, your furniture looks refreshed and restored. For anyone dealing with sticky zipper problems, a graphite pencil is a miracle worker. Rubbing the pencil tip along the teeth of a stubborn zipper provides just enough lubrication to help it glide smoothly once again. It's a fast fix for jackets, bags, or any zipper that's giving you trouble. If you've ever struggled to get the most out of your toothpaste, shampoo, or lotion bottles, here's a tip. Cut the bottles in half when they seem empty. You'll be amazed by how much product remains inside, waiting to be used. Simply scoop out the excess, and you'll stretch your supplies further than ever before. These DIY hacks are more than just shortcuts. They're small acts of resourcefulness that add up to a smoother, more enjoyable daily routine. Whether you're looking to fix, organize, or refresh your space, bringing these ideas into your life can spark creativity and confidence. So next time you run into a household challenge, remember, the smartest solution might be simpler than you think.